also transistor. This is diode. This is relay.
Now we will tell about its components which was used in automatic street light project. First of all, this is 0 PCB. This is LDR, which means light dependent resistor. This is resistance, which is of 330 ohm. This is also resistor, but it is of also resistance, but is of 1 kilo ohm. This is transistor. Transistor have 3 pins. This is also transistor. This is diode. This one is diode. They have 5 pins. This is NO, this is NC, this is common pin, center is common pin, and these 2 pins are both used in the
We also require soldering iron, soldering wire, and some basic wire.
Now we will show its working.
First of all, we connect this to battery. This bulb glow because there is no sun rays. When the sun rays will come from LDR, then the bulb is not glow. We are the students